Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to discussing about the Wipro Wims candidate onboarding update. This is not for Elite, Turbo or a Wilp Wase candidate. This is only for Wipro Wims candidate, and you can see here the Bangalore location training. This is not for all candidate. This is for location is depending upon your preference. If you selected, if you choose the Bangalore, your location will be Bangalore. Otherwise, depending upon your preference or your technical training will started from the 7th of November. So be prepared for the training, and 2nd November is your virtual onboarding date. So please don't miss this onboarding date, because if you miss this onboarding date, your joining will be postponed or cancelled, because many of candidates who are waiting for onboarding, and the onboarding will be scheduled on batches, and currently Wase candidates onboarding is not scheduled from the Wipro, and Wipro only schedule Wipro Wims onboarding. So be prepared for the onboarding and don't miss, and please share this information with your friends who are waiting onboarding or also getting this type of mail. And please like this video and subscribe for the more future updates about Wipro joining process, Wipro onboarding related updates, and Wipro offer letter updates.